Yeah, I mean, I spent just a huge portion of my life believing that, I'd be an artist. But after what Simon told me, it just completely changed my career path. Bésame, bésame mucho.
I've never heard anything like that before.
It was like you'd swallowed a load of people and they're all screaming.
Man, this job just really sucks.
Dude, shut up.
That was really hard. And I always told myself to never give up on my dreams. So even to this day, I still sing. My coworkers hate it, but maybe one day you'll see me in the Grand Ole Opry singing about welding or something wild and crazy. But we all have dreams, don't we?